7 engines. This train is a long one. Right, Dad?
Possibly, yeah. Judging by the number of engines or anything.
Yeah, great. It's carrying its own train tracks.
And this train is so long.
Look at those things way back there. They're just leaving. What are those cars? I've never seen those before.
Or not. Yes. No.
He thinks keeping it. He keeps thinking that the trains are going to end. For how many engines there were, we might be here for a while. Just saying, right? Right, Dad?
Oh, yeah, for sure.
I'm thinking, is this just a train of engines?
How do you know it's an engine?
Were you thinking that, Dad?
I don't really know the engine.
The
Dude.
very front car that pulls the trains. That's the engine.
Well, I didn't see any of them. I only saw one.
Yeah, there's 7 of them.
Those yellow ones.
Well, you'll have to see the video to see.
Oh, I think I actually.
Okay, well, this is a lot of train cars.
Maybe I did
Ooh,
so.
this is a cool white one. Look, that's pretty. And that, well, I don't know if that's Holline.
Just about to be.
That's a cool car. I feel like it's just about to be over. 7 engines and they were all on. Well, doesn't seem like they'll be over.
Okay.
Whoa. That was... Why are all these been like painted or whatever? Oh, yeah. Oh, it's a gray one. It's a gray one. Rarest of all ones. Where are you? Bye-bye. Bye-bye, little buddy. I'll see you again soon.